Hey, welcome back. Let me ask you a quick question. What if one single chicken in your backyard could give you a fresh egg almost every morning? Not twice a week, not every other day, almost every single day. That means one bird alone could fill your egg basket with over 300 eggs in a year. Now here's the thing most people getting into poultry farming don't know. The breed of chicken you choose matters more than almost anything else. Pick the wrong one, and you might only get 100 eggs a year. Pick the right one, and you're looking at 300 or more. That's 3 times the productivity from the exact same amount of feed, space, and care. And here's the part that will really surprise you. There is one breed out there that produced 364 eggs in a single year. That is one egg for nearly every single day of the year without stopping. Today we're going through 7 chicken breeds that are known for laying the most eggs. We'll cover which ones work best for beginners, which ones give you both eggs and meat, which ones can handle tough weather, and which breed might be the best fit for your setup. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because the breed we finish on has a production record that most farmers find hard to believe the first time they hear it. Let's get into it. Starting off with a breed that basically built the commercial egg industry, the white leghorn. If you've ever picked up a carton of white eggs from a shop or market, there's a very good chance those eggs came from this exact breed. That's how dominant the white leghorn is in egg farming around the world. This bird originally came from Italy, from a coastal town called Livorno. When it was brought over to English-speaking countries, the name slowly changed to what we now call leghorn. A healthy white leghorn hen can lay between 280 and 320 large white eggs every year. That's close to 1 egg per day. Because of that kind of output, this breed became the backbone of large-scale egg production across the globe. In terms of size, they're on the lighter side. Hens come in at around 2 kilograms, roosters around 2.7 kilograms. And that small size is actually a big advantage because they eat less feed but still produce more eggs than most other breeds. That's good news for your feed costs. Now, one thing to know about leghorns is that they are active birds. They like to move around, scratch the ground, and explore. If you give them open space, they'll forage and find a lot of their own food, which saves you money. But they're not the type of chicken that loves to be held or handled. They're not aggressive, just independent. If your main goal is as many eggs as possible at the lowest cost, the white leghorn is hard to beat. But the next breed on this list takes a different approach. It doesn't just lay well. It's also one of the toughest and most durable chickens ever developed. Number 2 is the Rhode Island Red, and this one is a legend in the poultry world for good reason. Developed in the United States, this breed became popular very quickly because farmers noticed something special about it. It was strong, it was consistent, and it could handle conditions that other breeds struggled with. Rhode Island Reds are what's called a dual-purpose breed. That means they perform well for both egg-laying and meat production. So if you're running a small farm and want a bird that gives you options, this one makes sense. A good Rhode Island Red hen will lay somewhere between 200 and 300 brown eggs per year. Not quite at the top of the list for pure egg numbers, but still very strong. Hens weigh around 2.9 kilograms, and roosters can reach up to 3.9 kilograms, so there's decent meat on them too. What farmers really appreciate about this breed is how well it handles different environments. Hot summers, cold winters. Rhode Island Reds tend to manage well in both. Their immune systems are strong, and they don't fall sick as easily as some more delicate breeds. One more thing people notice about them: they're alert. Rhode Island Reds are usually the first birds in a flock to react when something feels off. A lot of farmers say they act almost like a warning system for the rest of the chickens. Reliable, tough, and productive. That's the Rhode Island Red. But if you're just starting out and want something even easier to manage, the next breed might be exactly what you need. The Plymouth Rock has been a farmer favorite for well over 150 years, and one of the biggest reasons is simple. This chicken has a great personality. Plymouth Rocks are calm, friendly, and comfortable around people. If you have children at home or you're new to keeping chickens, this breed is about as easygoing as it gets. They don't panic easily, they tolerate being handled, and they settle into a routine well. Like the Rhode Island Red, they're also a dual-purpose bird. You get decent egg production and usable meat. Expect a Plymouth Rock hen to lay around 200 eggs per year. The eggs are large and brown. Hens sit at roughly 3.4 kilograms, and roosters can go a bit heavier than that. One thing people always mention about Plymouth Rocks is how they look. Their feathers have a black and white barred pattern that makes them stand out in any flock. If you care about how your backyard looks, these birds are genuinely attractive. They also do well in both free-range setups and in enclosed coops, which gives you flexibility depending on your land and setup. For anyone just getting started in poultry farming, Plymouth Rocks are one of the most recommended starter breeds. Productive, calm, and easy to manage. Now, if 200 eggs a year sounds impressive, hold on, because the next breed didn't just perform well, it made history. Australorp. The Australorp. This is the breed that holds the record we mentioned at the start of this video. 364 eggs in 1 year, one bird. Nearly one egg every single day of the year. That record was set in Australia, which is actually where this breed comes from. The name Australorp is short for Australian Orpington, because the breed was originally developed from black Orpington chickens. Over time, Australian breeders selected for higher and higher egg production until they produced a bird unlike anything that had existed before. That record still stands as one of the most remarkable in poultry history. In practical terms, a regular, healthy Australorp hen will lay over 250 to 300 large brown eggs per year. You probably won't hit 364 under normal farm conditions, but the genetics of this breed are built for serious production. Australorps are medium to large birds. Hens weigh around 3 to 3.5 kilograms, and roosters around 3.8 to 4.5 kilograms. Their feathers are black, but in sunlight they have a greenish shine that looks almost metallic. They're a beautiful bird. They also tend to start laying relatively early, around 5 months of age, which means you're not waiting long before you start seeing returns. And unlike some of the more high-strung laying breeds, Australorps are calm and easy to work with. They handle cold climates well and generally stay healthy without a lot of extra attention. High production, good temperament, early laying age. The Australorp checks a lot of boxes. But here's something interesting. Not every top-producing chicken is a traditional pure breed. Some of the most productive birds in the world today were actually created in a lab. Let's talk about one of them. The Red Star chicken is a hybrid. It doesn't come from one ancient bloodline. It was developed in the 1950s when breeders started deliberately crossing different breeds to see how high they could push egg production. The result is a bird that can lay around 300 large brown eggs per year with very strong consistency. Red Stars are popular on commercial egg farms because of that reliability. But they've also become a favorite in backyard flocks because they're friendly, easy to raise, and productive without needing special care. Hens weigh around 2.7 kilograms and roosters around 3.6 kilograms. If you're thinking purely about egg numbers and want a bird that just gets the job done, the Red Star is a very practical choice. That said, not everyone is farming purely for eggs. Some people need a bird that also brings in meat, and for that, our next breed might be the one. The Orpington comes from England, and if chickens had personalities the way people do, this one would be described as gentle and relaxed. These are big, fluffy birds. Hens come in around 3.2 kilograms, and roosters around 3.9 kilograms. They have thick, full feathering that makes them look even larger than they are, and that feathering also means they handle cold weather very well. In terms of egg production, a healthy Orpington hen will lay around 190 large brown eggs per year. That number is a bit lower than some others on this list, but the Orpington makes up for it on the meat side. These are excellent meat birds. So if you want a flock that earns its keep in two ways, Orpingtons are worth considering. They're also one of the easiest breeds to manage. Calm, slow-moving, and not easily startled. Great for people who don't want to deal with flighty, difficult birds. The last breed on our list today is one that solves a problem a lot of farmers deal with, but don't talk about enough. Sussex chicken is from England as well, and it has a reputation for doing something many breeds can't: laying eggs through winter. Most chickens slow down or stop completely once the days get shorter and temperatures drop. The Sussex tends to keep going. That consistency makes it especially valuable for farmers who need steady production all year round, not just in spring and summer. A Sussex hen will lay between 200 and 250 light brown eggs per year. Hens weigh around 3.2 kilograms, and roosters can reach up to 4 kilograms. They're large, friendly birds that work well in free-range setups and are known for being good foragers. Like several other breeds on this list, they're also dual-purpose, so meat is an option too. If you want a bird that keeps laying even when the weather turns, Sussex chickens are one of the best answers to that problem. So there you have it, 7 of the best egg-laying breeds available to farmers today. White Leghorn for maximum egg output at low feed cost. Rhode Island Red for toughness and dual-purpose production. Plymouth Rock for beginners and family farms. Australorp for record-setting potential and calm temperament. Red Star for consistent commercial-level production. Orpington for a gentle bird that provides both eggs and meat, and Sussex for year-round laying, even through winter. Every one of these breeds has something to offer. The right one for you depends on your climate, your goals, and how you plan to run your flock. But any of these 7 will put serious numbers in your egg basket. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these breeds are you already raising? Or which one are you thinking of adding to your flock? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to know which chicken breeds grow the fastest for meat production, the next video is already on your screen. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.